In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file taxes without a W-2 on TurboTax. If you earned money but did not receive a W-2, one common reason is that your income may fall under self-employment instead of traditional employee wages. In TurboTax, that means you'll usually enter it in the self-employment section rather than the W-2 section. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can start entering that income correctly. First, once you're inside TurboTax, look toward the top of the screen for the income section. Move your cursor over income to open that area. This is where TurboTax organizes all the different ways you might have earned money during the year, including wages, freelance income, contract work, and other earnings. Taking a moment to enter the right section matters because it helps ensure your tax return is categorized properly from the beginning. After that, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page gives you an overview of the income categories available in your return. Think of it as the central hub where you can review what you've already entered and add anything that's still missing. If you don't have a W-2, that's okay. You're still in the right place because this summary page includes more than just employee wages. Next, scroll until you find self-employment income and expenses and then click Start. This is the key step if you were paid as an independent contractor, freelancer, gig worker, or through any type of work where taxes were not withheld in the same way they are for a standard paycheck. By choosing this option, TurboTax will guide you through entering the income and any related business details. As you go through this section, make sure you have your income records nearby. That could include invoices, payment app history, bank deposits, or any forms you may have received related to non-employee compensation. Even without a W-2, accurate records will help you report your income correctly and reduce mistakes. It's also a good idea to move slowly and read each prompt carefully. TurboTax often adjusts the next questions based on your answers, so entering the right category at the start can make the rest of the process much smoother. That's all you need to do to begin filing taxes without a W-2 in TurboTax. Start in income, open the wages and income summary, and then use the self-employment income and expenses section to get started.